my goodness, I just realized yesterday was your birthday, MKOMA pets. The Chibhanzi King. Happy belated birthday, my elder brother. I love you so much. Maiguru kumba. I hope you had a blast yesterday, Baba WOLFGANG. You know, for those people who don't know, the MKOMA family, you know, we grew up together. Imbaye and MKOMA pets, you know, with the family house. And get next door with Ashumba. Before then, they bought the Norton stand and they built a mansion family house in Norton. But Vaigara Kubudiro too before. So the MKOMA family are like family to me. This is my elder brother. So the secret is this is the only person I listen to. Do this because I grew up, you know, together. The MKOMA family next door to next door, you know, and they were so good to us. My mom and my MKOMA were very close, and the MKOMA, the late, were very close. So, you know, this is my elder brother. Happy birthday, MKOMA pets. Oh my god, I felt so guilty. I scrolled by page MKOMA pets, then I saw yesterday was your birthday. I'm so sorry, I was too busy yesterday. I didn't notice that it was your birthday. I hope you had a blast yesterday, my guru kumba and the whole MKOMA family. I love you so much. I'm at my champion blast. You're still looking, you're still hot, hot like a hito. May the good Lord make you reach 100+ in good health, in money and prosperity. Love you.